How to log out of Facebook Messenger on mobile? Today I'm going to show you the latest way to log yourself out of mobile devices for Facebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Facebook has made it incredibly hard to log out on mobile, to the point where you can't even do it anymore. The old ways do not work. The only way to log yourself out is by using a desktop version of Facebook. To log out of your mobile device, you're going to need to click your profile picture, followed by clicking Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Once in here, go all the way to the left and click the Meta Account Center, See More in Account Center. Click on Password and Security on the left side. Then click Where You're Logged In, followed by clicking the account you would like, and here you can see all logouts on other devices, including this iPhone here set in Illinois. You simply check it, hit Log Out. They may even force you to get a code from your email to do this. Once you enter the code in and approve it, you should be good to go. Hopefully this helps with the very painful logout process Facebook has implemented. If this video did help you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.